Ooh, so many choices.
Insufficient change. Please insert the correct amount needed. Thank you.
What? But I put in the right amount. Yeah, oh.
Insufficient change. Please insert the correct amount needed. Thank you.
What?
Insufficient change. Please insert the correct amount needed. Thank you.
Come on!
Please put in the sufficient amount required to purchase your drink.
Oh, I'll put in the sufficient amount, alright. Take this, and that, and don't forget this. Oh, is this sufficient enough for you? Haha.
Your order has been processed.
Huh? Yes!
Sorry, but we are all out of blueberry energy drinks. Please come again later.
No! No! It's all over! It's all over!
Another employee seems to have depleted all of his change into the vending machine again.
Marvelous, yes, they might get paid handsomely, but they will all soon give it right back through our crappy vending machines. $1 at a time.
I just want my blueberry energy drink. It's all this stupid machine's fault. Curse you! Huh? No, 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 no! Please, no!
Oh, so that's where my golf club is.
Okay. That. Sorry, but we are. Fuck. Order. Sorry, but we are all required to purchase your drink. And the sufficient amount required to drink.
Well,
Thank
fuck, Jake, your mic is like fucking up or something.